takes lots of work. But best virtual presentations are written by people that are great copywriters. I mean, it can take years of hard work and studying to become a great copywriter. So what should you do? First, you can try to become a copywriter. Now, think about it. Who has that much time? We aren't salespeople or copywriters and don't want to be. We want the easiest way to get to the money fast, and this isn't it. Second, we can hire a great copywriter. Now, it's going to take time to get things back because I've worked with a lot of them, and most copywriters are slow. It's a gamble. You'll never know what you'll get back, trust me. And most importantly, it's going to cost money, right? The other thing is most good copywriters cost $150 to $250 an hour. If they work for a week creating your presentation, that'll cost on average $8,000. That's a lot of money. Now, take a look at this, right? We've got a couple of good copywriters on here, and these aren't even top copywriters, right? These are average guys. Look at the price point, $217 at a minimum, and that's per hour. And then it gets as high as $500 per hour. This is over on Upwork, right? So a lot of you guys may be familiar with this site. Imagine hiring one of these guys, right, at $217, $500 an hour, and having to use them over the course of a week, because that's about how long it'll take for them to get your copy back to you, right? So that's a lot of money. Both of these options kind of suck, right? Remember, we want the fastest way to make $250 to $500 multiple times per day without a ton of work and without spending any money. So here's the deal, right? We wanted to make this fast, easy, and free. And most importantly, a powerful moneymaker. Now, not only for ourselves, but also for you and our top students, which is why you're on this presentation, so that you can learn the best way. Listen, 99% of the work is done for you already. That's right. Bob has done 99% of the work for you already. Bob is already selling his course on Udemy. So all you do is you use the info that he already has, and you put it into our $10 million easy webinar creator that we're about to show you in a second. Bob is going to give us everything that we need to put into the software. Mike and I have both made millions of dollars with webinars, so we know what works, and we're always looking to up the ante. So one of the things we did is we studied the best webinars out there, the best copy, the best copywriters, and exactly what gets people to buy. We incorporated all of that plus ease of use into this software so that it would be easy for anyone to use. I mean, the 9-year-old all the way up to the 99-year-old can use the software and generate results with it. So before we show this to you, we need you to understand that this isn't something that we got off of Fiverr or Upwork. This is something that we had created by some of the best developers on the planet, the best. We've put countless numbers of hours into making it the best that it can possibly be so that you get amazing results. And on top of that, over $50,000 has been invested into making it perfect for you. Now, sure, you could try to figure out how to sell Bob's course yourself on a virtual presentation / webinar. Or, right, you could pay thousands for a copywriter. Not my favorite. Or you can just copy and paste what Bob gives you right into our push-button webinar creator software that makes this entire method drop dead easy. And even better, it has generated millions of dollars for people that have never done anything like this before. So you know that this will work for you. Literally, all you do is fill out a few fields that Bob gives you the info for, and you press a button. Our $10 million webinar software will spit out your very own money-making virtual presentation within seconds. Now, which do you prefer? Do it on your own, hire a copywriter for thousands, or use our software? Write million in the chat box if you want to see our software in action right now. Oh, you guys are fast. You must be about as excited about this thing as I am. As you can tell, there's a lot of excitement in my voice because this software has made me a crap load of money. Millions are coming in. I see Joe million, Veronica million, Betty's typing million, Alexa million. Jason just put in billions in there. Jason, I love the think in there. Okay, keep it going, folks. We're going to show you this thing here. Let's jump right into it.